let's go straight into payroll. Okay, for payroll, it's very straightforward. What you do is you just go under salaries there. Under salaries, there is where it says, as you can see, there is employee staff, NAPSA, taxation, create payslip, expired NAPSA. All these functions are there for you. So let's start with employees creation. You click there, employees creation. As you can see, employees creation, I have the cost center there, date of joining, and everything there. Don't forget also to put the bank code. The bank details determines the method of payment, how this person is going to be paid. Okay, after putting all those, you simply save it in the way you want it. Yeah, it's saved. Then you move on. Yeah, if you are still processing some more stuff here, sorry, um, just in case you're not familiar with the payroll, there are these arrows here. You can simply say next. Okay, it goes to another stuff. If you are done with this, you can simply say next. You can continue processing all of them. If they are 1,000, keep on doing that until all of them finishes. Then after that, once it's saved, you simply close. Yeah, here. Then from there, as you can see, due to lack of time which I have for this video, I've already emptied this one for you so that you can easily follow. So where do you put the NAPSA data? You go under NAPSA data here and enter here. I think you are familiar with it. So normally we start with month 1. So if it was January, I will start from 1st January 2021. So 2020. If you are going to start in 2021, here it will be January 2021. Okay. The rate at the moment is 5%. The ceiling is 1061.41. In January, always find out from NAPSA what will be this, the percentage and the ceiling. If at all this NAPSA pension will be back, if it's not yet not back, we just put 0 there. Then after doing that, you simply say add. That's all. Then you close the form here. And then after doing that, there is also this one, taxation. This is where the payee are adjusted. So here for next year to read 1st January 2021, you input it there. To input, there is a small calendar here, as you can see. You select using a calendar here. Then here, the tax-free next year to be 4,000. You are going to put 4,000 there. The bands remains the same. Nothing has changed there. The percentage of these remains the same. Educational levy or skill levy has not changed. It's still 0.5%. Yeah. So the only thing which will change is just a free tax. That's all. Then from there, remember this one. You don't empty per employee. No, this is only done once. It caters all the employees. NAPSA data caters for all the employees, not like you are going to be doing it per each employee. No. Yeah. As you can see, there is no employee specific name attached here. Then after that, we simply say add. That's all. Yeah. Now, then you go to salary data. Salary data, which is here. This is where you put now the salary which are those people are going to be paid. Okay. At least these things are specific. Change date. Yeah. The date when the salary was effective. Now, because let's assume that everyone is coming through this payroll on 1st January. Okay, you just put 1st January. These are the salaries which are applicable now for 1st January 2021. You put basic housing allowance, transport, lunch allowance, and everything. After doing that, of course, you have to select the employee there. Okay. You will be selecting all the employees. There will be a chain of employees there, which will be selected to just attach the salary data. That's all. Once you are done, you simply say add. That's all. Then after that, you are done. You just now start processing the pay slips. Now to process the pay slip, because there are some other items which need to go on the pay slip, you still simply come here and where it says create pay slips. Okay. So here you select the date, which is you normally prepare the pay slip at the end of the month. So in that case, it will be 31st January there. Or alternatively, you might want to start from 1st January, emptying, because there are some items like maybe someone has gotten an advance, you empty that advance, the date when that person gotten it. Let's say maybe on 5 January due to school, children, someone would have gotten an advance. So you select there, it means you select the date there, no matter. You select the date there, let's say 5 January. It means that next time you won't have to change the date, it will remain like that until, as long as that date falls within January, it doesn't matter. So you input your whatever salary advance here. You select the name, person, the consent there, then attach also the NAPSA data there, attach also the tax data there. Then from there, you come down, you say tab, come down here. Then you select here where it says the advance here. Where is the advance here? You input the advance, then you clear all the zeros and save. So for example, I know some people could have not gotten a single thing. I've already created, for example, two employees there. So what I meant is, before you close the month, whatever you are creating, the names of the employees, they will be coming here in a combo. For example, let me select that one. Have you seen that everything with the input which I was talking about is already attached there? So suppose I wanted to amend this one. Instead of 65, I will simply say maybe the correct amount was supposed to be 700. I'll say tap, 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 okay? Then save here, okay? No, now before saving, suppose this guy, if I remember, I realize to say no, actually he got an advance also of 1,500. Input it there, that's all, yeah. Tap, 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 then save. That's it, yeah, I'll say okay here, that's all. The data is saved. You move to the other one. So maybe even this one, the next one, junior, had also something there. Maybe the bonus was supposed to be 200, but by mistake I had put 50 kwacha. I will simply say tap, tap, and save it there. That's all. After doing that, then now, maybe let's say these are the stuff which I have. I'm done with the payroll, so I will simply go to the reports there. Okay, sorry, under salaries there, and you start printing my payslip. Print your payslip here. So it's up to you if you want to be printing one by one. If you want to print it, all of them at one go, you select the range. Okay, so in this case, I'm selecting from 1st November to 30th November. Then you select all the employees, the first employee up to the last employee, which is Charles there. Then here, I'll also select the cost center. If you want to select to print by cost center, you select this cost center, maybe accounts to accounts. Now, if you want to print all the payslips by all cost centers, you select it from accounts to the end. That's all. Then you preview there and you start printing. So you allow this thing to process and preview. Let's see how the payslips looks like. Okay, there we are. These are the payslips which I'm talking about. They look like that. So everything is there. As you can see, maybe yeah, there's the company name there, bank details, whatever, blah, blah, whatever it is, everything is there. The net pay, everything is there. You just print there. So to go to the next payslip, you simply use these arrows. Okay, even that one, you will see it comes there. There's nothing to talk about. These are just straightforward things. Okay, then you can simply print. How do you print? You simply come here, okay, preview, then you print everything at one go if you want to do that. That's all. Then after that, you can close it here. Now let's go to the famous report which many people are asking, and this is a very difficult report to generate. It's called the payroll summary. Okay, the payroll summary, how does it look like? Let's look at the payroll summary. The payroll summary summarizes all the pay slips on one sheet of paper. So we'll start also from 1st November up to 30th November. Okay, then from here, select all the employees from the first employee to the end of the employee. As you can see, the boxes, the menu looks the same with how you print the pay slip, same. Okay, so you preview here. Let's see how our payroll summary looks like, so that from there we see whether this is what we needed or not. Okay, there we are. This is our payroll summary. Okay, you have all the item, whatever is on the payroll comes here. At the end here, it gives you a net pay there. Then you have total deductions there. then you have total earning there. Now, for me, where you say salary cost, I'm assuming that you wanted to say total cost to the company. The total cost to the company actually is the total gross here. No matter what, this is what the company has to suffer as a cost. No wonder these two looks the same. If you wanted to say something else, or you mean something else, when you have this software, you need to tell us to say, no, remove ABCD. Then we'll do exactly as the requirement. As you can see, we have here, this is the department here, job title there, employee code there. Yeah, first name, second, last name, everything is there. At the end, we have a report which you can put in PDF or you can put it in Excel and format it the way you want to format it. That's it. These are very straightforward. You don't have to worry. Yeah. The next thing is the payroll bank transfer. Okay. This is another famous one. Here, where is the bank transfer here? There we are. So again, you select it the same way from 1st November up to the end of November. Select all the employees. Okay. When you select all the employees here, okay, then it comes like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And do the department. So you preview it there. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. Yeah. It's compiling there. Very soon we'll have a report. There's no big deal about it. Okay, there we are. We have a payroll bank transfer there. First names, the other name there, banking name. Others, they like to have a banking name. If you don't need the banking name, okay, when you take it to Excel, you can just delete that column for banking name so that you remain with the account code, bank. This one, the bank code, it has to be there. Okay, net amount which you are transferring to the bank, then you put it in a narration. Narration here means maybe payroll for January 2020, payroll for January 2021, things like that. So that from there you just upload it. That's it. End of story. These are straightforward things. There's nothing to talk about. Okay. So the other reports again, let's run through some of the reports which are found there. Okay, we have also the report here. Okay, as you can see, the menu remains the same, so that once you know the other side how to reprint this, you can run through this easily. You don't have to get confused to say, now what do I enter here? So this is straightforward. It's the same. Nothing changes. So as you can see, so I can run my payee report there. Okay, and see what is there. Yeah. It's almost similar to what you are going to upload to the ZRA server, pay system anyway. You have all these. That's all. NRC, whatever, yeah, and the net pay, gross and net pay. That's all. Yeah. Then you have also, what is this again? You have the any HI report, yeah. Okay, and in NAPSA, all those. So okay, let's run through this one as well and see how it looks like. Okay, yeah. All right, you preview there. That's all. There's nothing. Payroll is the easiest thing. As you can see, this is your national health insurance. 1% of your basic goes to those people there. You have everything there. Total this 100 to 50 plus 50, 100, 33 plus 3, 66. So yeah. You have everything anyway. Let's see the NAPSA report as well, how it looks like. So NAPSA is the same, it's just the same like the other one. Is the NAPSA now? NAPSA report, NAPSA. Okay. Yeah, we don't see, oh, we have it here. Okay, so NAPSA report there is the same anyway. These are, the printing is the same as well. Okay, you print it there. That's why let's wait and see how NAPSA looks like. There we are. Okay. Now the only difference you have in social security there. Yeah, everything is the same anyway. This plus that you get that. This plus that you get that, and the gross there. That's all. Yeah. Company details, whatever. Yeah, you have everything there. That's all. Employee wise. Now let's go to the journal now. okay, and see how our famous journal looks like. Or before we go to this journal, let's see how our budget report looks like. The budgeted income statement. You go to the budgeted income statement there. You select maybe for November. I've put the data there for lack of time there, so that we have some better understanding and see what goes on there. Okay, let's look at our budgeted income statement. This is your budgeted income statement. Yeah, it looks like this. Okay, so you have everything there, the income, the revenue on top there, and the gross profit there. Then from there, you have the operating expenses there, and in the bottom part, the net budgeted profit, you have also the variances there. It ends there. That's all. There's nothing to talk about. Yeah. So we move on to the other one. What is this? Again, under budget, we have what is called the cost center budget. Let's see how that one looks like as well. Okay, so okay, all right, same range. You preview there, and let's see how it looks like. This one is used actually for control purposes, so that you are able to control cost by department. So you can see we have accounts, these are their costs and their variances. Sales, these are their costs and their variances. Yeah. From there, you're able to control, ask some questions, why the expense is so much, is an overspend, things like that. Also, yeah, these are straightforward things anyway. Yeah. So then at the end here, okay, we need to explore more again, maybe the journal. Let's try to now create one journal and see how it looks like. Okay, maybe on accounts, maybe my telephone or stationery, whatever it is supposed to go up. I've used more. So here I will say reference, whatever reference which you need to put it there, but it has to be sensible there. We need to have a proper referencing there. Okay, so I will say maybe no 2020. Okay, now we are not debting anyone, we are not debting customers, we are not debting the suppliers. These three are used for specific. This, if you want the journal to go to this specific, you can select this. Now this is just a general journal, so we'll leave it blank. So it's kwacha to kwacha, which is exchange rate 1. Okay, so now here let me select let's say telephone. Okay, telephone, I'll say bills. You put the correct, the sensible narration here, so that people are able to follow it up. So I'll say being accrued expenses. Being accrued bills for telephone from for the month, for the months of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, which one is September? Okay, October, and no. Let's assume in November we want to accrue it as well, 2020. Okay, then I'll do it like that. What's the cost center? The cost center, let's assume is accounts. Then what is the amount? Maybe the amount is 700 55 kwacha. Okay. Then here, I'll say, okay, maybe accruals. We don't have accruals. Okay. Since we don't have accruals, I'll say, okay, I'll put it there temporarily under accrued expenses. Then you transfer it once we create an account called accruals. Okay. Yeah. Now, if I wanted to have that narration come here, I'll just copy it there. Copy it and put it here. That's all. Yeah, instead of retyping the same thing. Okay. Then okay, yeah. Then 755. Okay, that's all. Yeah. Then now I'll save it. If you have made a mistake, you can record the journal here. Okay. If I select it here, it will be recorded. As you can see, it's recorded here. You can amend several times before posting. So now I'm not amending anything. I'm just showing you that. That's all. Then now, close here. And then let me see how my channel look like. Yeah, in case there's something wrong, I can still go back and amend it. All right? Yeah, no problem. You can amend it there. Yeah, so that's my channel number there. You put the channel number and preview it there so that you see whether it's okay. As you can see, check here. The narration which you have been putting, it's coming here. Okay, so that the auditors, when they come, they are able to see exactly what it is. Remember what I was saying, you have to put something sensible there so that the journal should talk on its own, not yourself explaining anything. Yeah. Then since everything is okay, all we needed to do is just post it. That's all. And down here, if you check, it will also write the name of the person who has created that and the person who authorized it. The person who authorized it will only come once you post it. Now, let's see what happens. Let's post it. Let's see if the name will come there. Okay. So I'll simply say post my journal. Post my journal here. Okay. So journal number 8, it has to be posted. Post it there. Okay. And post it. That's what is posted. Yeah. Then close it here. So that when I come here and you see how my journal looks, the posted journal looks like when you're reprinting it here. Yeah. So the journal is for today, 15th up to 15th. It doesn't matter the range which you select. You can start from 1st January to date. Yeah, it will still pick. So I'll simply say 8, type it in there. Okay. Then you preview it. You see? Here. It has put the name of the person who has authorized this channel. Straightforward. These are straightforward things. You don't have to worry. That's all. So this is the way how it is. Yeah, for payroll, we are done. The journal, we are done. So purchases, if you are dealing with the purchases, you start by creating the purchase order here. Then after receiving the goods, you go to the inventory, you create the GRN here, then match the GRN with your purchase order there. After matching the purchase order with the GRN, you can now match the GRN with the purchase invoice. Then you post, then that's it. Yeah. Once you pay, you go under payment here. It has sorry. Under purchases, if you are paying a creditors, you go under payment voucher here. That's all. You do your payment there. That's it. Straightforward. Yeah. Then what else do we need to do? That's it. For general sales accounting, that's way how you do it. If you are in a hotel module industry, you use this one. If you are in the project, you use that one. Okay. You are doing these wages who are not paid who are paid hourly, you can use this. Okay, those these are normally found in manufacturing. Fixed asset also, yeah. If you want to look at fixed asset, this is the way how it looks like. This is the form which you use for fixed asset. Yeah, you can capture whatever you want to capture. You want to look at the fixed asset summary, okay? You can still come here and say fixed FA summary. Then you preview here, okay? You have your FA chart here. There it is. We have one laptop which I'm using. Everything is straightforward. There is nothing to talk about. Okay, close here. You want to look at depreciation? Okay, you go here, monthly depreciation here. Okay, preview depreciation here. That's all. Then yeah, it tells you the month depreciation is there, so there's no big deal about it. That's all. Yeah. Then the other thing which you might want to do in an event where you want to create an account which is not there, you can go to the advanced accounts, then you